everyone, I'm a hysterical deaf woman, and this is my YouTube channel. Oh, it has ears. Oh, wow. Let's see how stylish her is. Ooh. Oh, that is nice.
Told you it was a secret feature.
It was. I have a secret feature is my hair. Ooh, and it covers my hair. My hearing aid. Anyway, that was our walk. We didn't get too many sunflowers. Balsam weed, whatever you're gonna call. We'll try again tomorrow.
Balsam root.
Balsam root, sorry. I just want the sunny part of it. The sunshine of it. Well, we'll try again tomorrow. See you guys. today? Recognize my voice? Hi, sweetie. Are you gonna hold my hand still? I can't hold my hand. It's me yelling hello to you. Hello. Oh, you're a friend of Jeff. Okay, my hand won't stand still. Have a good day. Stomach's still hurting, so I'm looking for sunflowers and what have you. And I'm not really finding them.
21 top 40 hits, 12 Grammy Awards, and 9.
Not supposed to have my makeup today. I'm gonna put on my hat and stuff.
On the Back in the Saddle weekend, your classic rock, KMSW.
My sun protection hat. SPF protection. Can't have that on. Anyway, out and about by myself. Can't see myself. There we go. Turn it the other way. I am really completely covered because of the sun. It's only after 10, so I can be out for a little while. But usually after 10, I gotta disappear until sometimes 8 o'clock at night. But depending on where I walk. But yeah, I haven't been out for days and days trying to get these sunflowers, or balsam roots that produce sunflowers. I can't see a thing. Guess I'm on. I just stepped in some ashes. That's great. With my white tennis shoes. Not care. These guys. Huh. Get my shut over there. So here we are again. Right? Went out briefly. I promised to make anything to watch. big cities, which we applaud them for coming out and the activities they can do with a massive amount of people. And John missed it. I went out early. I went out early. He What? I'm sorry.
I said I wasn't feeling well. This is
Yeah.
day 10 of the
Still not.
having the virus.
How many days do you think it is?
Day 10.
Yeah. For some reason, I woke up kind of okay, so I decided to try to do a little filming. And if I knew the secret, and having a lot of apple cider vinegar, unintentionally, but that happens to be, it was a kumbasha tea, and apple cider vinegar and turmeric was the only things left at the store. So I had to choke that down, and in a way, I think it helped. So I've been drinking that for a while. I've lost about 10 pounds. But John's been having little meals. And you know when we don't want ice cream and donuts, we're not feeling well, right? We took a look at ice cream or yogurt and we just wanted to puke. Anyway, we're going to head that direction anyway towards Catholic Week. I'm sure everybody's gone. But if I'm up tomorrow, I'll try to come again during the day and have my camera ready. I'm going to turn this off now because my arm's hurts. But I mean, and there's a few. Blossom, that's the only sunflowers I've seen. It's not worth writing home about. We'll check in again in a few days. Yeah, we are half and free, but nobody's here now. Of course. I really should have been reporting the chaos, but no. We had to tell them I was trying to be safe. And there are so many people parked right along here. You know, like they usually do, but even more than walking. They were jumping up over the fences over there. Climbing up the sides of the walls. And I had my camera right here and I wanted to grab it, and there's only a few here. But yeah, they parked clear down at the end here where this guy is trying to hide his mailbox with it. I don't know what the heck it is, BW. BW over the top of the box. I have my eyeball. But yeah, they were further. I just kept driving on down. But yeah, I went down there. I turned around and tried to fishermen or something up like that. I gotta get a vlog up sometime here. I'm waiting to get all the sunflowers, but I don't think it's gonna happen. This is my year. But you know, now I got this stupid virus thing. We're not saying what it is, we're just saying we got some sort of virus. We're not giving it a name, or maybe we are.
Yeah, I'm giving it a name.
Yeah, I know you would.
I call it the Trump virus.
Yeah, I know. We heard that. You said that on the other one.
Trump virus Trump virus, but it is.
And there are people with upper respiratory symptoms that I talked to over towards Philadelphia that her husband was so bad they tried to go through a drive-through thing, and they couldn't. They evaluated them and said no, even though they were really sick. She's been sick with the same thing, but it affected her differently, and she's been having the unmentionables, which I'll go ahead and say, so everybody knows is diarrhea. And everybody's saying that your symptoms can't be mild, you can't maybe have a runny nose or diarrhea, but I'm talking to a lot of people on Twitter and Facebook that say that they are getting something like that, and then the upper respiratory later, or a combination. So, I mean, this is a new virus. We have no idea how it's going to affect everybody, and it affects everybody a little bit differently, I think. When you say so?
I would say so.
Yeah.
You got anything from Mitchell on the Utah Jazz who had no symptoms. He was tested positive a week and a half ago, and he had no symptoms at all. And then other people who are dying.
Exactly. This is completely new to us. I think we want to keep it from being paranoid and thinking we're all getting sick and something, but people are saying they know their own body, and this woman got sent away with a sinus infection, and she knows that it wasn't a sinus infection. She's had them before. It's not like anything she's had. It's like I said, listen to your own body, but try not to listen to your fear. And still no. Yeah, and so, yeah, of course. So trying to isolate ourselves, I guess, or distancing, whatever you want to call it. It's a very good idea, even if you're not showing really grand symptoms, getting over and passing out.
And that's why we're out right now, just to get out and drive around.
We're driving, yeah.
We don't contact anybody, but
exactly.
Just get out of the house for Jesus, it's been months since we've been in the house. So.
Right, exactly. We're even talking to the dog through the screen door because we're afraid we're gonna not give it to the dog's parents. Sparky, you know Sparky. Everybody knows Sparky now, so it's not our dog. We miss him terribly. Going on. I might come back later, so it's not that bad. I mean, this is, well, not as bad today, but this is social distancing for you folks. Yeah. The cars are crammed in here.
Give it another hour.
No, it's much better today right now. Much better. But yeah, give it another hour. No, I came back later. I came back at, noon or so. I got to do this zoom in without actually seeing if I can zoom in. Can everybody see that? This is for all the folks over in the east who wondering what's going on in the northwest. A lot of people have been curious, but yeah, oh yeah, look at that. Oh, a lot of social distancing. I mean, no, it makes sense, but then it gets too jam-packed like sardines and people are running around. allowed to go in. I don't know why. I mean, they got the chain, but yeah. But I heard there's some very old pioneer-like things here. Yeah. Anyway, we're just coming to take pictures. Please don't arrest us. Oh, and here's Balfour himself from 1861. So let's see here. Oh, I never been in here. Yeah. After bridges is God is grave is marked with a native boulder. Bridger has the idea so far ahead of its time that all peoples and races were the same under the Creator, and that God sent His teachers onto every land. So there you go, folks. But anyway, yeah, 1899. Yeah, what is yeah, that's an old one. We've got some people from World War. I don't want to be disrespectful to World War II. World War II things. I don't know if I might run out of card here, so if I have to change it, folks, that's why. But no, I mean, I need to look at some of the older stones here. I mean, this is what does that say, 1878? 1903. That one's kind of cool. Only 48 years old. That was the same age as your mom when she died, right? We've got no more World War II things. I always loved cemeteries. I always found them so romantic. Gonna get away. Just the right time. But yeah, very, very interesting. I just love old cemeteries. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I've gone through really, really old ones. What are these guys down here? 1919 they're born. Okay. Pretty. That's an old stone. Anyway, I'm sure. Oh, look at the dogs here. Oh, I'm gonna shut this off. But oh, that's sweet. With the dog and everything. Anyway, nobody needs to see the entire cemetery. So I'm gonna stop by for a minute. Here, they don't have to keep the gate closed. Where are you gonna go? Okay, so you are then. No one has to go out there. You're nuts. You're nuts.
It's not a big deal.
Well, you're gonna get zapped by something. Yes.
You get zapped by the...
Yeah, there's probably live wires out there and everything besides you. You better be careful.
You're not coming?
I don't know. Come out there and get arrested. The Sheriff Songer would come after us. Yeah. And accuse me of smoking too much weed or something. I'm not going to do that. See, he's got me. Here we go. We're going to be arrested. See, I'm not really here. I'm standing here on the other side of the gate. And Mr. Personality is going out there to fall down the canyon. Yeah. I'm the good person, the good girl. Hey. Here comes the troublemaker. There we go. What were you? I wasn't looking. You were trying to do sign language from a distance there.
There were 3 elk.
No!
Swear to God.
Well, then why didn't you tell me to come over and look?
I tried pointing.
Are they still there?
No, they're gone. They went down in the valley there and they ran up and over the hill.
Oh, sure. Were they deer or elk?
No, they were not deer. They were elk.
Oh, I want to see them.
They're beautiful. You missed them because you were afraid to come out.
You can take the camera, you know.
I know. I wasn't expecting to see that.
Oh, crap. Okay. Yeah, that's me. I miss out on everything. Say that again?
They were big.
Maybe we're exaggerating. Let's see now we're going to be arrested. There's cameras on us everywhere.
There's no cameras. There's no cameras. There's just signs saying there's cameras. You see, there's a whole other cemetery over here.
Yeah, what the heck is that about?
I don't know.
It's really decorated.
It's very decorated. Somebody went crazy with this one.
What the heck? It looks like a party. What is going? Gypsies? Do gypsies live here? That's what I'm saying. I was just saying, who is it? Philip Della Torre. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, are they Hispanic or gypsies? Oh, it's the year 1974. I don't know. Man, what the? I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Native American things, cowboy hats. Wow. Hey, you're going in again. Wait. It just goes everywhere. Well, I gotta get my shut out of the way. Let's go on.
John investigates.
John investigates. I got and Betsy is scared to death as usual. Cause yeah, what the heck? You know what in the world? No, these are colorful people. This is how I want my grave to look. You know, look at all the fun I had. Looks this. You know, they ended up burying my mom in a jar like that, a cookie jar, because we couldn't fit her into the. I swear to God, in a cookie jar we've had our entire life, and we ended up having to put her ashes in a cookie jar. What? What was that? Man, they're all cowboys here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What the heck? I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. I can just look over there to look for the elk. I gotta turn this off for a second before I run out of card. Yeah, this is something else. Like somebody left a bunch of garbage here.
I know. It's like weird.
But it's very carefully placed things that meant something to them, obviously, and in a way that's really rather cool. Very colorful. But I'm gonna go see these supposed elk that exist over here that I haven't found down. You probably saw unicorns too while you're down here, right? And Bigfoot. Bigfoot. If I don't see Bigfoot, I have my doubts. I'm going around here. He's behind me. Where are you? There you are. Yeah, that's pretty dang colorful. Yeah. Really cool. Really cool. It's anything like it. There's a first for everything. Huh? They have some good taste in the dishes.
May 5th, 1992 to November 25th, 1992.
This must be I don't know, because I see a lot of, this is something the natives would do, or gypsies and things like that. And I see some feathers, and I see a few Indian things, so we're kind of being disrespectful here. But,
I'm not trying to be disrespectful.
But, you know. And you can see that the graves are above ground here, so these aren't deep graves. Their bodies might just be right underneath here. So, be careful. I hope they don't jump out on you. Yep. Looks like the Native American. Whole pod family here. Amazing thing. Yeah. Very amazing. So, we're gonna get out of here. That's interesting. Yeah, it says Lyle, like the town of Lyle. James Lyle. Who knows? I'll have to look that up when we get home. I got my glasses in my mouth, by the way. That's why I sound funny, but yeah, oh, weird. Yeah, this is some of the worst graves because they're not tended like graves are. Some of them are almost above ground still. What's that?
That first 1863.
Yeah, no, this is, yeah. And then here's some more Balch, or the Balch Roads. They got, you know, yeah, the Bridge of the Gods thing. So, the young, oh yeah. He is buried in cemetery in mile north, grave markers, boulder, oh yeah, boulder and stuff too. That was kind of what it said up front. Yeah. Oops, let me turn around on this one. But that's kind of strange. That's cool.
Lyle died in 1887.
Wow, okay.
53 years old.
Well, picture of the one who wrote the Bridge of the Gods thing too. So there you go. Interesting. Placed there by the Historical Society. I can't even speak now. Kind of getting it. It's very, very interesting. Slightly creepy, slightly romantic. Yeah, it's the reality. I kind of like everything being the way that it should with nature. And wow. I don't know. I have to find a little. To be the topic of something called in there. I'm wondering how, yeah, animals don't dig up all this stuff because some of them are above ground almost. Yeah. Anyway, we get a snapshot here. A snapshot to everybody. This is a really interesting graveyard. Everybody should come visit. Just don't tear the place up. Be respectful. There's trinkets out here that mean something to people, like I said, and all that jazz.
Somebody sitting here.
You're lucky. God, oh my God, these people are right. What's it? That was the guy that was biking.
Yeah.
Yeah, he probably thinks we're crazy. His eyes glaring at us. There's crazy people there. Pay no attention.